Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're taking a peek behind the curtain at Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited, a company that is giving us a glimpse into their recent performance, and let's just say their latest report might have a few surprises or maybe just confirms what we already suspected. Before we dive in, if you love getting the real story from corporate filings without all the jargon, make sure you are subscribed. And hey, we've got a growing community over on Discord. That link is in the description below, so come join the conversation. Alright, so what we have here is a report from Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited. It's basically an update for the month of December 2025, and it's a bit different from the super detailed annual reports. Think of it as a mid-year check-in, and this one is focused on their unaudited interim financial statements as of the 30th of June. 2025, so it's not the final word on their year, but it gives us a good snapshot of where they were at the middle of 2025. First off, they've indicated they filed their annual reports using Form 20F. This is the standard for most foreign companies trading in the US that aren't based in Canada. It means they're following us accounting rules, but their primary reporting framework is from their home country, Taiwan. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the financials. This report is all about their interim financial statements as of the 30th of June 2025. This is where we see how the company was doing financially halfway through the year. It is crucial because it shows us the immediate performance and any shifts happening. These are unaudited, which means they haven't gone through the full rigorous check by an external auditor yet, but they are still important for understanding the company's current health. Following the numbers, we always look at the management's discussion and analysis, or MDA. This is where the company's leaders explain what the numbers mean. They'll talk about why things went up or down, what challenges they faced, and what opportunities they see. It's like a letter from the CEO explaining the current state of affairs. And it often gives us clues about their strategy and how they plan to handle future conditions. So, we have Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited based in Taichung City, Taiwan. They are an international player while their exact product lines aren't detailed in this specific filing. Their name, Spirits Limited, strongly suggests they are involved in the alcoholic beverage industry, likely dealing with the production, distribution, or trading of spirits. This industry can be quite dynamic, influenced by consumer trends, regulations, and global supply chains. And signing off on this report is TSI Yi Yang, holding the vital roles of Director and Chief Executive Officer. This tells us who is ultimately responsible for the information presented, and that leadership is actively involved in their reporting. It's always good to see the top people putting their name to these documents. Now, let's think about what this filing means. It's not a full annual report, so we're not getting the entire yearly picture here. Instead, it's a snapshot from the middle of 2025. This is valuable for understanding short-term performance and immediate trends. If the company had a really strong or weak first half of the year, this report would highlight it. It's what investors and analysts watch to see if the company is on track with its yearly goals, or if there are issues that need immediate attention. For a company like Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited, in what can be a cyclical industry, these interim reports are critical for gauging immediate momentum and potential shifts in market demand or operational efficiency. For example, if they report a significant drop in sales in this interim report, it would be a red flag for the rest of the year, suggesting potential problems with their distribution, marketing, or even the product itself. Conversely, strong interim results would signal a positive trajectory and build investor confidence. Okay, so what's my take on this report? We're looking at an interim financial update from Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited as of mid-2025. This report signals that the company is providing a progress update, likely in response to regulatory requirements for foreign private issuers. The key takeaway here is not just the numbers themselves, which we don't have detailed in this particular document but are referenced as attached exhibits, but the fact that they are providing timely updates in the volatile spirits market, which can be affected by everything from changing consumer tastes to international trade policies and even seasonal demand. Having this kind of transparency halfway through the year is crucial. It allows stakeholders to understand the company's performance during a critical period and anticipate potential year end results. The inclusion of exhibits like unaudited, condensed, consolidated interim financial statements and management's discussion and analysis means that the company is offering a narrative alongside the data. This discussion section is where we can often find the why behind the numbers. Are revenues up because of a successful new product launch, or are costs increasing due to supply chain issues? Are they investing heavily in expansion, or are they facing increased competition? This interim update is a critical checkpoint. It allows for adjustments in strategy if needed and provides early insights for investors looking to make informed decisions. The fact that it's unaudited means it is a preliminary view, but it still sets expectations and provides a basis for further analysis, especially when compared to previous periods or industry benchmarks. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses we can infer here? The strength is their commitment to transparency and timely reporting, which is essential for building trust with investors. Providing interim updates shows they are actively managing their business and are willing to share their progress. A potential weakness, or rather an area to watch, is that these are unaudited statements. This means the final audited numbers might differ. Also, without seeing the actual financial tables in this summary, it is hard to pinpoint specific performance metrics. However, the very act of filing this report implies they have something significant to communicate, whether it is growth, challenges, or strategic shifts. The opportunity here is for the company to showcase positive momentum, or, if there are challenges, to outline their plans to address them, thus managing market expectations. The risk is always in the performance itself. If the interim numbers are poor, it could negatively impact investor sentiment. In conclusion, this Form 6K from Agencia Comercial Spirits Limited serves as an important interim progress report. While it references detailed financial exhibits, its primary contribution here is providing a mid-year snapshot and management's perspective. For investors and observers, it is a signal that the company is actively engaged in its financial reporting cycles and is providing crucial updates for the period ending June 2025. We will need to look at those attached exhibits to get the full picture of their financial health. Alright, that's our quick decode of this filing. What are your thoughts on these interim reports and what they signify for companies like Agencia Commercial Spirits Limited? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more easy to understand corporate insights. And remember, our Discord community is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.